बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I hope all my students are hale and hearty at home. You know, from the last few days, I am trying to discuss with you about some sentence structures. And in my last 3 classes, I discussed with you about 3 structures. So far I can remember, in the first day I told about a structure, কাউকে কোনো কিছু করতে হয় বা হয় না, and next day I told you about কারো কোনো কিছু থাকা উচিত বা উচিত নয়, and the last class it was কারো কোনো কিছু করার কথা বা কথা নয়। একটা ছিল am to is to are to, আর একটি ছিল should have, আর একটি ছিল is supposed to, am supposed to, and are supposed to. Okay, so dear students, today again I would like to welcome you to Rangpur Online School, and today I am going to discuss with you about another structure. So I hope you will enjoy the structure and enjoy the class. So dear students, you know I am Muhammad Abdul Muttalib, senior teacher, Police Lines School and College, Rangpur, and I am with you on Rangpur Online School, and I am with you only for the students of class 9 and 10. You know, I have taken all the classes only for the students of class 9 and 10 who are going to attend in the SSC examination, but I am trying to discuss with you on some sentence structures so that it can be helpful for you in your exam, in your writing skills. And today we will discuss on about another structures, and what is our motto, what is our aim. Our aim is that at the end of the lessons we will be able to identify the structure of sentences, and we are trying one after another, you know, just so that we can identify the structure and we can write down the sentences very correctly, successfully. Make sentences using the structure. This is my motto, this is my target, so that you can be able to identify the structures, and according to the structure you can write English sentences very successfully. So dear students, today this will be our target, and this is another Bengali sentence, you know, but the technique is কাউকে কোনো কিছু মনে করা হয় বা হয় না. So our focusing point is here today. কাউকে কোনো কিছু মনে করা হয় বা হয় না. So when I will see, but when I will think like this, but or I want to write a sentence, but in the Bengali meaning in my head the meaning is like this, যে মনে করা হয় বা হয় না. Then how I will arrange it in English? So which will be the structure? So okay, just we must have to remember this: am, is, are, thought, to, be. But this is the focusing point, যে মনে করা হয় বা হয় না, and to translate it into English, just I must have to remember this point: am, is, are, thought, to, be. Then my sentence will be, but before that we know there we need a subject here, and after be we can take noun or an adjective or past participle, and then we will use extension. Then our sentence will automatically be correct. So I am going to give you an example. Just look at the sentence here. বুদ্ধিজীবীদেরকে জাতির বিবেক মনে করা হয়. Then my technique was in the structure, কাউকে কোনো কিছু মনে করা হয় বা হয় না. You know, if it becomes negative, then am, is, are, after it we will use a not here, but here বুদ্ধিজীবীদেরকে জাতির বিবেক মনে করা হয়. তো মনে করা হয়, then I have gotten the Bengali verb here, and I have memorized these techniques, how I have to translate. Then by seeing this structure I can translate this Bengali sentence into English very easily. সো মনে করা হয়, কাকে মনে করা হয়? বুদ্ধিজীবীদেরকে। দেন দ্য ইন্টেলিজেন্ট, ইন্টেলেকচুয়ালস, বুদ্ধিজীবীদেরকে। দেন দিস ইজ my learning, I have previously memorized it, so I have used intellectuals, so I have written here are thought to be. So the intellectuals are thought to be. Then we can use noun or adjective or past participle, then extension. কি মনে করা হয়? বিবেক, জাতির বিবেক, the conscience of the nation. Then my sentence has to be correct automatically. So dear students, this is a technique only. Our target is to memorize some techniques so that we can write English very successfully. And if I would like to give you another example, তাকে হিংসুটে মনে করা হয় না, দেয়ার মনে করা হয় না। তাহলে I have a symbol here, then I will memorize, I will remember this structure. But here is mone kora hoy na, then after am is or are, I have to use a not. Then if I go, kake mone kora hoy na? Take. He is not thought to be, ki mone kora hoy na? Hingshuti, envious. This is an adjective. So my sentence has been correct. So dear students, what is our target? Our target, just I will talk to you today only about one structure. I told you every day I will talk to you about only one structure, and today this is the fourth structure for you. And I told you if we try 15 or 20 structure in Bengali sentences like this, then you can write your English writings very successfully. So dear students, so again I would like to remind you, just try to memorize it, mone kora hoy ba hoy na, and the focusing point next one, am is are thought to be, or when it is hoy na, then am is are not thought to be. If I would like to be make it an interrogative, then we will bring am is are in front of the subject, then my sentence will automatically be correct. So dear students, so here just we will try to remember mone kora hoy or hoy na. Take, if I write down here, take মেধাবী মনে করা হয়। তো মনে করা হয়, আমার এই টেকনিকটুকু এই যে এখানে আছে, কি ইজ থট টু বি, এম থট টু বি, আর থট টু বি। দেন আমি লিখ কাকে? তাকে। হি মনে করা হয়, তাহলে হি এর পরে ইজ, থট টু বি, কি মনে করা হয়? মেধাবী। তাহলে আমি কি লিখবো? মেরিটোরিয়াস। বাস। আচ্ছা, তোমাকে শক্তিশালী মনে করা হয় না। তাহলে এই যে মনে করা হয় না, এই স্ট্রাকচার আমার মুখস্থ। তাহলে মনে করা হয় না, হাউ আই উইল রাইট ইট? আই নো দ্য স্ট্রাকচার। তাহলে ইউ আর নট, মনে করা হয় না। থট টু বি, থট টু বি কি মনে করা হয় না? শক্তিশালী, স্ট্রং। Then my sentence will be automatically correct. So dear students, those who have joined in my live class, I would like to request you, if you share this class on your timeline, then other student can be able to enjoy the class. And I hope as you are the students of class 9 and 10, you can understand this type of structure very easily. Now আমরা যদি এখানে মনে করি যে তাকে কি নেতা মনে করা হয়, then the sentence will be in interrogative, but my target is here, মনে করা হয়, and the structure is very much known to me because I have previously learned it. তাহলে কি লিখব? then তাকে, here I will write he, here is, then I will write, sorry, the is before it. Is he thought to be, কি মনে করা হয়? নেতা, a leader, interrogative sentence. My sentence has already been okay. Again I am writing another sentence. তোমাকে কি আমাদের বন্ধু মনে করা হয় না? Then again the symbol is here. This is negative interrogative. Okay, I have no problem. কাকে মনে করা হয় না? তাহলে you are, then I will write are you not thought to be বন্ধু মনে করা হয় না, আমাদের বন্ধু, friend of us. So in this way we can write this 4 type of sentences very easily. So dear students, my today's target was to give you just a single structure to discuss with you, and our today's topic was কাউকে কোনো কিছু মনে করা হয় বা হয় না। তাহলে মনে করা হয় বা হয় না এটাকে ইংলিশে আমি ট্রান্সলেট করব কিভাবে, যে am is are thought to be, then before it we will use a subject, and after it we can use noun, adjective or past participle of verb, and then if we need we can use extension. And after that I have shown you we can translate the sentences in affirmative form, in a negative form, in interrogative and interrogative negative. I have discussed with you only the 4 structure and 4 quality of sentences, and I hope if you can understand the topics at your home yourself, you will make Bengali sentences with yourself and you will translate them in English. If you practice like this 2 days or 4 days or 7 days or 10 days, then it will be very much easy for anyone. So but just if you see or enjoy my class, it will not be enough for you. At home or any places in your head, just you will make some Bengali sentences in your head and then you will try to translate in English. Then it will be very easy for you to translate or to write any English sentences without any hesitation, without or you can avoid any types of grammatical mistakes. So dear students, I hope you will use this structure at your home and you will make sentences yourself and you will translate it yourself. So thank you very much, and from today and every day at 1 p.m. I will be with you with one structure, and I will share every day one structure with you, and until then I would like to say goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Thank you very much. May Allah bless you.